Bukan, kira mau ini. Bahaya ini.
One, you can hit again.
I mean, let's just say, pussy fish.
Oh, set, man.
Yeah, nice. What is this?
Grouper. Ruby?
Barracuda.
Oh, no good.
Not good.
Not.
Yeah, fish on.
Oh,
Oh. We'll try again. Fish again. Two hits.
kan tiga.
Iya, datang di bawah dulu tuh.
Ada bawah lagi. Banyak jauh.
Oh, wis. Hookup.
Hot.
What?
Hot.
Really?
Oh.
Oh. What fish?
Barracuda?
Barracuda. Oh.
Motherfucker.
Yeah. He's on. Right. Yeah. This Rudy. Snapper.
Snapper.
Yeah. Good guy. Oh, nice. Strike, guys.
Double strike.
No. I'm buying sauces. Yeah. Oh, nice. Ruby.
Ruby.
Strike, guys.
Strike.
Mr. Flynn.
You know, in Australia,
Yeah.
we have to wind.
One.
Sharks.
Shark.
Very bad sharks.
Oh, not good.
Not here.
Oh, nice. It's Ruby. Snapper. Yeah, big snapper. Are you found?
Fun. Good fun.
Ha!
Yeah, baby. Jen. So,
Come on, Ian. Come on.
strike.
Strike.
Maybe amberjack.
No, this
Ruby?
Ruby snapper.
Okay.
Angler for Australia. Mr. Finn.
Mr. Agus.
Mr. Agus. Mas Agus. Mas Agus.
Master.
Jigging master.
Jigging master.
Last day.
Last
Fishing?
day.
Oh,
Back to Australia tomorrow.
more back to Australia.
It's okay. We got fish.
Come on.
Come on.
Bos Abi gancol lah pukul eh. Kita mau ambil video. Ini Bos Abi.
It's me. Wasabi.
Bos Abi.
Mr. Agus. And Ruby.
Ruby tie.
Ruby time. Fish.
Come on. Color.
Deep color.
Deep color. No. What? What fish? Ruby. Yeah, good size. Ruby snapper.
Mantap Jo.
Mantap Jos. Try again. Try again. Win.
Mantap Jaws.
Mantap Jos. I'm happy. Look, you're happy.
Everyone happy.
Yeah.
We're sponsored by Daiwa.
Yeah.
Saltiga.
And
Kruger.
you're
Very good.
very good. Your jig.
Aussie jig.
Oh, see, contact jig.
Contact
Yeah.
deep.
Contact deep.
Deep hunter.
Deep hunter. You hold fish.
Yeah.
I want a photo. You.
Taruh kan?
I want a picture. Okay. Wait. Okay. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Wait. 1, 2.
Try again.
Come on, double, right? Double, come on. One double. Double, right, come on. Yeah!
Oh no!
Double strike, guys!
Double strike!
Nice, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah! Deep hunter, Maluku! Come on, snapper!
Never.
Yeah. Are you fun?
Very fun.
Sniper kayaknya ini.
Yeah,
Never, yeah.
snapper. This snapper. Okay, guys, double strike, guys.
Strike. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Yeah!
Kepanasan.
What is fish? Oh, nice, good. Oh, nice.
Yeah, baby. I throw out. Oh no.
What fish? Barracuda? Please,
Maybe.
no.
I think small ruby.
More.
No.
Please don't
Please. Double ruby. Good for video.
Come on. Good for
Come
video.
on, baby.
Come on. Double. Big size. It's not big size. Small size.
Small size.
Ada perlawanan.
Yeah.
Barracuda.
Oi,
Please, no.
please. No.
No. This double try good for video.
Good to eat. Better to eat than barracuda. Barracuda stinky. No.
No. Come on. Fish on the follow. Maybe.
Oh, small ruby.
Oh,
Oh,
kecil.
Small. No
Wait.
barracuda.
Wait. Iya. Kalau ini sedikit besar dia. Sam?
I think Sam.
Right there. I think the size.
Baby, mama.
Haha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, bigger.
No, Sam. Small size. Snapper.
Better than barracuda.
Come on, Wichish. Wichish. Double strike, guys.
Double strike.
Look to camera. The Panther Maluku. No
Barracuda
one chance.
Number 1.
Number 1 in Maluku.
Yeah. Drop again.
Asik.
Oh,
Oh.
nice.
Nice. Sampah.
Get over, come on, drop.
Di sana ada orang itu tangkap itu.
Yang mana?
Dua orang.
Iyo.
Legend.
Here? Drive 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Get nasi goreng, got
Yeah.
rubies.
Don't forget nasi goreng, ruby,
Deep Hunter Maluku.
deep hunter. You watching in my
Eh, mang itu mungkin di sampai Maluku.
When I got back to Ambon, Moa, no
Yeah.
internet, no reception.
why?
I have no internet in Moa.
Oh yeah, no internet. And here good internet, good transportation, good food.
This is better than sleeping.
Yeah,
Double strike.
come on, double check again. Yeah! Oh, miss.
Yeah.
Again. Come on.
Come on, come on.
Come on. Baby fish.
No good, no
Not
good.
good. Come on, give me big one. Yeah. This one.
Sean.
This one. Yeah, big snapper. Good size.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, double.
Double.
Yeah, double talk again, guys.
Double.
Double
Yes,
lagi.
baby.
Oh, nice day.
Good day.
Good day.
Size up.
Size. Good size. Good size. Come on. Come
Yeah,
on.
baby.
Come on, big one. Oh, big one.
Big one. Yeah, baby.
Abi, are you wanna fishing? You wanna draw?
Barracuda.
No, this is Barracuda.
You know Barracuda.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Double strike, guys. Oh. Speak.
Head shake, head shake, head shake.
Ho.
Yes, baby.
Reza, you look this. Look. Yeah, nice, good.
Good one.
Look. So,
Problem with double strike.
you. This is problem. Double.
Yeah. Tango.
Tango? Oh. Shit. Oh shit, that fish.
Okay.
Let's
Have
up.
to see.
Let's up.
Wanna do?
Oh, good size. Wait.
Senior.
Oh.
Halaman berat.
Thank you, my brother. Oh!
Try.
You look my right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
big size.
Yeah. Yeah.
The color.
One big.
One big fish. Oh, size. Good size. Same with you.
You want gaff? Or just grab?
Okay, nice. Oi, big one.
Oh, bisa.
Deep Hunter Maluku. Sadis. Come
Double
on.
strike.
Double strike. With Mr. Win from Australia. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Kita double strike, guys.
You want a photo?
Yeah, photo. This.
Thank you, Boss Abi.
Oke, sama-sama.
Sama-sama. You're welcome. Fish waiting me.
It's waiting for you to drop.
Yeah,
Double strike.
with double strike.
Good things come in two.
Coming to.
Coming too. Fine.
Slime, this boot not good. Badaki.
I'm waiting for you. No fish to you down there.
This one double struck again. Posisi salah bos Abi. Double. Come on double again. Come on double. Yeah double. Come on. Oh miss.
Hook.
Puki. Yeah, good, good. Hook up again. Yeah, good fin.
Mantap Jos.
Mantap Jos. Come on double, come on. Paling amis guys, Mr. Fin. Oh, nice. Big size,
Good size.
big one. Come on, big one. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, double strike.
Double, come on.
Double strike.
Oh, double, guys. Double strike.
Double strike.
Double strike, guys. Haha.
Postman Abi.
Bos Abi. Are you okay, Bos Abi?
Baik-baik.
Baik, Mas.
Hati berontak.
What is this? Oh,
Tango.
tango with you.
Oh no.
Putus, guys. Come on. Big one.
I don't think it's big. Oh!
Oh.
Black squeak. No good?
First and strike. What is? Oh, Barracuda.
Little one.
Strike, guys. What is this? Oh, Barracuda. This is not good. I'm sorry. Oh,
Drop.
Oke guys, hari ini hari terakhir Mr. Win. Sebelum dia pulang, dia minta mancing bersama saya di tempat saya gigging ya, karena dia penasaran dengan video-video saya. Dan setelah kita terakhir keliling Maluku mancing popping, khususnya di Maluku Barat Daya di Moa, jadi sebelum pulang dia ingin mancing bersama saya untuk melihat keseharian saya mancing, guys. Dan alhamdulillah mendapatkan hasil yang maksimal. Tadi dia tercapai, dia mendapatkan ikan rubi, dan alhasil kita mendapatkan 6 rubi ya guys. Dan Mr. Win mendapatkan 4 kali sambaran 4 ikan. Oke, Mr. Win, talk something.
Something?
Yeah,
Sorry, something?
yeah.
Ruby, Ruby, Ruby!
Ruby. How do you think about Maluku Island?
Very good fishing.
Good fishing and
With the best.
good
Team
people.
Manta Maluku. Number 1. In Maluku.
Number 1 and street food number 1.
Number 1 fisherman.
Yeah. Number 1
best.
fisherman and number 1 nasi goreng.
Number 1 nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Yeah. Dia suka banget guys nasi goreng, sampai tadi malam dia jatuh makan nasi goreng kita guys. Yo, lada. Oke.
Love you.
Kali di selanjutnya ada sugar glass. Nah, kita berjumpa lagi nanti di bulan Oktober di Uci Parael yang dari mancing ke sana dan kita selalu mancing orang-orang dari mana pun mancing khususnya di wilayah Lampung. Oke, kita terus ada, jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe channel ini agar selalu dan video selanjutnya yang ada di channel Uncle Mancing. Sampai jumpa.